For this video, I am going to teach you how to turn off the iPhone is too close alert in iOS 18. So if you don't know, in iOS 18, Apple introduced a new feature that warns users when they are holding their phone too close to their face, designed to reduce eye strain and promote healthier viewing tasks or viewing habits. However, if you find this alert unnecessary and want to turn it off, I'm going to show you the step-by-step guide on how you can disable the iPhone is too close alert. So the first thing that you need to do is to head over to your settings, and in your settings, go ahead and locate screen time. So this is one right here. So tap onto it, and once you scroll down, what you need to do is to go into the screen distance option that you have there. So tap onto it, and then what you need to do lastly is to simply toggle it off. So as you can see right here, it also says that to reduce eye strain, the risk of myopia in children, screen distance will alert you to hold an iPhone or iPad with Face ID at a recommended distance. So again, you can just simply toggle it off, then you'll be able to turn off the iPhone is too close alert in your iPhone with an iOS 18. So that's it for this video, and I hope this helped you, and if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell button. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.